I gotta, just went down the driveway, no rubbing, no buffing. Second to third, smooth. Man, that bird almost got run over, a stupid thing. First, second, awesome. Second to third, awesome. Hey, see, we got, he's gonna turn, or what is he gonna do? But let me give you a little downshift action here in a minute. Now this shifter right here, it's meant to be beaten. You don't sissy around with this shifter, otherwise you're gonna get caught in between gears. This B&M truck shifter right here, this thing's made to be manhandled. You know, you don't just gently try to push it. It's meant to be slapped into gear with that ratchet action. See? Third to second. But yeah, this shifter is legit. You just want to get some leverage and just bang that baby. That's what you want. Yeah. That thing was spinning them all the way down the street.